Oh, hi, and see you there. I'm Dr. Drill. I'm here to teach you how to make a dot book alongside my fellow Goon squad. Let me introduce you to the Goon!
メガネに張り付いてるようにどこを見ても変わり映えしないこの景色今日も退屈でがっかりみんな一体どんなシステムで感情コントロールしてんだ気が狂いそうで泣き出した僕がまともなんだよ
My name is and I'll be showing you how to find your number. So today I'll be number 5. You want to cut out a good area around your number so you know who you'll be around. So I am around number 6, 4, and 42.
Fat! Don't forget your number or your poker chips on the practice field, because then you'll have to sing Teapot Song for all of us.
Hey, what's good? It's your boy Rubert Duck, and today we're going to be talking about the movements you make on a field. Okay, so we've established that we are numero 5 for sake of demonstration. So once you've cut that out of your set, you're going to go down and you're going to find that this is set 16. And then this is our song. This is basically what you'll be playing during that chart. Now if you'll go up here into this text, you'll find all these different numbers, and all of these different numbers relate to the people on the field. Now since we're number 5, again around 4, 6, 7, and 42, we're going to look for 1 through 9, because of course 5 falls in there. Now all of these different words and you know, these things, you know, that you can read represent different movements around the field and how you're going to be at the end of this set. So you'll have forward move, back step, traverse 8 in the direction needed to flex arc to new arc, and then mark time 8. Okay? So obviously the arcs represent sort of the shape that you're going to make on the field, and the mark time is just your obvious, just stepping. You're going to learn that throughout the week.
Fat! Well, butts on the field, or I'll chop your butt off.
Chop your butt off!
Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm Mr. Safety. I'm here to show you how to actually make the part of the dot book. So when you have your dots cut out, you want to paste them into the dot book, like so. Get your glue out. Get them all glued up. And then paste it right about here. And then after that, you want to write the directions. So since I am in drumline, you will write drumline, mark time, MT, 16, and then halt. And then after that, you want to write the chart number, which is 16 for this one, and then you may want to write the music, which is the music we are playing this year. Not really. And then you may want to write the measure numbers after that. So this is measure 19 through 26. And then also you may want to put the music up top for reference.
Thanks for watching. The Goon Squad shows you how to make a dot book.